Sine 22.5 degree without a calculator. So here's the exact value. So I'm going to use the high angle identity, that is sine theta by 2 is equals to under root 1 minus cos theta by 2. So let's take an angle. Theta is equals to 45 degree. So theta by 2, 45 degree by 2, which is equals to sine 22.5 degree. So sine 22.5 is equals to under root 1 minus, we'll write here, we'll take theta 45 degree. So 1 minus cos 45 degree by 2. Now cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2, or we can write it as root 2 by 2. So sine 22.5 degree is under root 1 minus root 2 by 2 by 2, which is equals to under root 2 minus root 2 by 2, which is approximately 0.3827. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.